Pretty cheap blender. I think it was from Walmart. This is cooking in the kitchen, Improv 2 hot sauce making. Set up the gear here with some olive oil. We need some apple cider vinegar. You know what? We're gonna get some white vinegar too. I've got some white vinegar in here somewhere. Oh yeah, I just moved, so this is my new kitchen. New kitchen setup. I have an island, I have a nice stove, I got a window. I've always wanted that stuff. We've got some habaneros, I got some sliced apples, a lime, onions, garlic, and some fresh peaches. Getting really soft. So I'm just gonna make my hot sauce. I make different hot sauces all the time. I'm gonna experiment with a little peach, habanero, lime, apple, basil. I got some fresh basil, maybe I'll put that in there. Gas stove making all kind of weird popping noises, freaking me out. Half of a Vidalia onion, some garlic. I always add an apple to my hot sauces. It just gives it a nice sweet flavor, good texture. You know what? I'm gonna toss the garlic and the onions in too. Now we're cruising. I'm just gonna start doing stuff. Peppers. Don't touch the peppers with your bare hands. Am I gonna go seeds or no seeds? I'm gonna take some of the seeds out probably. I'm gonna cut them first. I always put a glove on it. I mean, it's easier to do this with a knife. Take the pit out with a knife. Oh yeah, these are nice and fresh. You know what? I threw them all in. And a lime. Some salt. Put salt over here, you can't see it. And some sugar. I don't even know if it's the same one. Am I in folk? Oh, that was backwards last time. I got this weird light on my face, catching some light. Shout out to MA Light, the old band. Get the crew back together. Look at this. Look at that. I'm just going right in. Splash of that. A bigger splash of the vinegar. We already got the olive oil. And maybe a little olive oil. I don't know why. I'm going to do a little more salt. I didn't really put a lot of salt. Salt's good in that. And a little more sugar. That's it for seasonings. not smell good. It smells like weird feet. No, it smells good. I'm just playing. At first it was very pungent. Well, thank you for joining me today on Rich Marks the Spot. Cook some hot sauce and try a couple camera angles out. And only has an 85mm lens, so super tight on the face. Where's the food? You only see my face, you don't see the food. But there's a camera right there on the food. It's an old camera. And we're making peach hot sauce. I'm going to give it a taste with a little bread. Maybe a little chicken, I'm going to put it on some rice. And see if it needs a little more salt or a little more vinegar or a little more sugar. I like a more vinegary hot sauce. But if you add too much vinegar, it's gross. So